Hi dear Darjeeling everyone. On October 2025, I visit a zoo in Darjeeling. Here you can see different kinds of animals, especially red panda and Bengal tiger. When I saw them in my naked eye, yeah, this is just next level. So I hope you will like it. Okay, let's go.
खासा है खासा छुरा लगी था नहीं जैसे मरता गाता लाइट से पकाते हो चलते तो হবে না ওই গাড়ি উঠিয়ে
We have now in Switzerland, some people have yaks, and I always thought, no, this is not possible. They need to hire, but
I also born and brought from nomad family. My grandfather had 300 yaks.
oh, yeah.
So I'm very familiar with the yaks.
Yes.
Always live in the mountain in the chalet.
Yeah.
Sell a lot of butter, you know.
Yeah.
And originally, when you see the history, the yaks originally from Tibet.
Yeah.
And we have in olden days, you know, there was no any demarcation. This is Tibet, this is Sikkim, this is Nepal. You know, there was no any demarcation. There was no any boundaries.
They could.
So seasonally, our people cross their boundaries, graze animals, and come back.
Yeah.
Even their animals, they come to our place. So independence, everything is barricade now.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
So olden days, our grandparents, they used to salt,
So
and they give salt to the Tibetan people, and instead of salt, they give yak. So that's how the yak increased in our Himalaya.
that's
逃げんの逃げれないじゃん。なんでどこ逃げんの逃げれないから困っちゃった。本当は広いとこじゃない。足すっごい大きくない？こんぐらいあるけど。外に出て逃げる。多分すっごい速さで走って逃げる。食べると思う。ちっちゃい子。
거기다 저 전부 끼로 가서 사기나 샤 추종한 사실이죠? 아, 아니 추종한 사실 추종하라 다다 하늘에서 잘리기 왜 청기서보다 뭐 쫄랑 맛이 막 청기서?
No, no, Bengal. Bengal. Yeah, this one is Siberian.
Okay, thank you for watching and enjoy your life. and share your love with others. Bye bye.